I'm Brian and this is IGN News. Star Wars: The Force Awakens has surpassed Titanic to become the second highest grossing domestic film of all time. Box Office Mojo has placed Episode 7's box office total at over $740 million in the US, putting the film within striking distance of James Cameron's other Goliath, Avatar, which topped out at just over $760 million. The Force Awakens already became the highest grossing Disney film ever, passing 2012's The Avengers in late December. With just a couple of weeks in theaters under its belt, the latest episode in the Star Wars saga will almost certainly continue to rise. Worldwide, the film has already generated over $1.5 billion. For all your Star Wars news, stay tuned to IGN.